Hello everyone, today we're testing a real-world measurement performance of the VoxMeta H1 Pro using a calibrated ball gauge. So before we start, let's go check the measurement certificate. In order to get this information, we simply scan the QR code on our ball gauge and it will lead us to the website, featured website, where we can get the measurement data. Here you can see the center to center distance between two ball gauges is 1000.3610, and lower we have the PDF file of the certificate. Here you can check that we passed the CNS testing, and this is the second page, and this would be the third page containing all the information about the measurement. Alright, now we can move on to scanning our ball gauge, but before we need to calibrate our 3D scanner in order to achieve the best result. So let's just do it. First we go to our VoxMeta program, we choose the calibrate option and just simply follow the instructions that are shown inside the program. And just like this, we're almost done with calibration. Here you go. After that, we can move on to creating a new project. And we start by scanning the markers on our object. So let's just do it. Okay, after scanning the markers, we can move on to scanning the ball gauges. You want to capture the sphere from all the angles. Alright, we're done with the sphere A. Now we can move on to the sphere B and do exactly the same thing. Alright, we're done here, and now we can process our model. Let's go check the measurement data, intersphere distance, and create feature. Perfect, just like this we got the results here. You can see it matches the information that we got by scanning the QR code. It's 1000.377. Now what you want to do is you go to meshing option, you choose closer to reality and apply. After this, the last point it would be to export our STL file. On our computer. So later you can open the Polyworks program and simply drag the STL file there for further inspection. You do exactly like this. Here we have our STL model inside Polyworks. Next, what you want to do is you go to Sphere Features option. On the method, you choose Pick on Polygonal Model. Choose Sphere 1, confirm, and Sphere 2, confirm. And the last move would be Distance Features. Doing the same, we choose the Sphere A and then Sphere B. And here we have the distance data between two spheres, and all the data about diameters of both spheres. Here you can check it. Perfect. So today's testing is complete. If you have any questions, please leave the comment in the comment section below. We're gonna be downloading this STL file and uploading it to our Facebook group. You can download it yourself and check it out. So today's video is complete. See you in the next videos.